Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. This is beginner picking. So this is how it sounds. Second line. This is how the picking goes. Start on the bottom string, first string, 5 3 3. Next string up, 5 5 3 3 1 3 1 1. First string again, 5 3 3. Second string, 5 5. First string, 3 3. Next line, first fret, second string, 1 5 on the bottom string, 5 3 3 5 5 3 3 1 3 1 1. Third string, second fret, 2. Second string, 1 3 1 3. Third string, 2 4. Second string, first fret, 1.